Rondo on the track.
Hey guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets. Today I'm joined by Junior.
What up?
We're back with another wheel unboxing for you. This time, we're in front of you with two new sized ARKONs. So of course, talking ARKONs today, I had to bring Junior in to help unbox these.
Unfortunately, they're not new size or new models.
They're just new sizes.
New sizes. However, one of them is a brand new size, completely to the ARKON lineup. The other one is one that we've been asking for since the wheel released. So
yeah, I'm pretty excited.
let's get into it.
Let's do it. Guys, so we got them unboxed on the table here. Obviously, we have two different wheels, two different sizes. So I'm gonna kind of let you explain what we got going on here, and we can go from there.
Sure, so basically the ARKON Caesar, let's go biggest first, right? Let's start with that one. So ARKON Caesar 26 by 14 is finally here. That's a -81 offset, which is what all ARKON 14 wides are. Gotta go big or go home. Ever since we came out with this wheel, the biggest size at the time was a 24 by 14, which, I mean, was hot. It is hot, it's everywhere. So it was only a matter of time before the 26 came around. It didn't come out right away because we already had the Lincoln, and we kind of want to let that bad boy shine for a little bit. And plus with these being proper directional, true directional wheels, you've got a left side and a right side. So the more sizes you have, the more finishes you have, the more part numbers you have, the more inventory you have.
Right, so yeah, there's a left side and a right side, meaning there's actually two whole SKUs for each finish. So.
Yep, which we knew that when we were doing it, and that's the goal, is to give people exactly what they want. And then bolt patterns on these are gonna be all of your popular bolt patterns. You've got your Chevy, Ford, Dodge, 8-lug, 6-lug, all that fun stuff. I think there's, nope, you should definitely just cut it there.
So anyway, most of your most popular bolt patterns, like you said there. So I really love this wheel. I'm super excited for this one personally because I think 2614s are super good looking. I mean, CO2 is on 2614s. It looks fantastic. And then this is my favorite ARKON wheel far and above. So to see this in a big size like that's super dope.
Yeah, the multi-spoke, the thin spoke, it looks good. And then black and milled or chrome, can't go wrong either way.
Correct, exactly.
So even though this is super cool, right, 2614 and everything, I'm honestly more excited about this bad boy here.
All right.
So it's the ARKON Lincoln. It's been our day one. You've known it and loved it since ARKON literally was like conceived, but we got a new size. So obviously we had a 2614 before. We have never had a 24 by 12. And even though it doesn't sound super, it's not like it's a 30 by 18 or anything like that when you think about the size, but like finally having a 12 wide, because a lot of guys don't want half, 3/4, all of their tires sticking out as they're driving down the road.
14 wide, yeah.
You've got a 12 wide, you've got probably half your tires sticking out at most, and you've got a 24. A lot of trucks now are coming with 22 stock, and getting 22 by 12s isn't that big, or 22 by 10s isn't that big of a difference from what you already have.
Correct.
So jumping up to that 24 by 12 is something we've had a lot of guys in like those states that the state troopers just won't let up on them. They won't leave them alone. The stance is too much, all of that fun stuff. Like 12 wides is basically their max, and so they're stuck with like 22 by 12s or 20 by 12s. Well, we finally have something for that. And yeah, 24 by 12, ARKON Lincoln only as of right now. It's gonna come in chrome, it's gonna come in black and milled, and I don't know, it's just something new, something people have been wanting and not had. And that's been ARKON's goal since day one, you know, was to bring something new, what people are wanting, what people are asking for. We do listen, we do hear, and we're here for you, and we got it. So
yeah, correct. No, I'm super excited for that one too. I think I saw a different manufacturer had some 2412s that came through the shop the other day, and it's the same thing. It's nice to get a bigger wheel without being so far outside. You know, for the guy that wants to daily drive his truck, or the guy that, like you said, lives in a state that maybe he gets a lot of flack from the troopers about. So,
and the best part is 24s are going to naturally look better than 20s or 22s because bigger wheel, your spokes extend more, you're going to get more out of it, and it's just going to look a little bit better, more opening, more not as compact, I guess. So it's just it's a cool option, it's a good option. More tire companies are getting on board with this as well, offering like your you look at like a 35, 12.5, 24, you have like the perfect setup now. Whereas the 35, 12.5, 24 on 24 14s, you're stretching.
Correct.
On this, it fits perfectly. So the tires are there if you're looking at 24s, and the wheels there now too.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I think it's awesome. I think both of them are super unique in their own way, but both of them make a great option depending on your build choice. So.
Exactly, and there's obviously more coming out too. This isn't all we've got for 2020 into 2021.
Lots of goodies
so
coming down the pipeline. It's gonna be
more
exciting.
wheels, more sizes than you've seen here too. So we're gonna have some more new sizes in addition to what we just presented you guys. New styles, all of that, but that's a little bit down the road. For now, these are available immediately. You can go check them out.
Correct. Yeah.
Pressmountains.com. I just stole your
There
whole
it is. It's
tagline.
fine.
I'm
You
sorry.
don't even need me. It's cool. I'm out. See you guys later.